Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to target users for app in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome then you have to simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar. Then you have to choose the first website from here, and here you have to just simply click on sign in or the start now button. If you have account then you have to just simply click on sign in, and then it will simply take you to the overview page like this. Then here you have to just simply click on the create icon. From here you can see the plus icon, and here you will get the lots of options. From here you have to just simply click on the campaign option from here, and from here you will get the option of app promotion. Just simply click on the app promotion from the choose your objective. After that you have to select a campaign type from here, so let's go for the app option from here, and then you have to scroll down. Here you will get the option of app engagement. Just simply click on the app engagement from here, and once you click on the app engagement, it's almost done. Just click on the save and continue, and it will just simply take you to publish your ad. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.